Welcome to our channel CelebBomb. This morning, news outlets reported that Johnny Depp's lawyers had issued a statement denying claims that social media swayed the jury in the recent trial against Amber Heard. The actress was recently awarded a $7 million settlement after accusing her ex-husband of domestic violence. The statement from Depp's legal team also alleges that the actor has been the victim of violence and abuse at the hands of Amber Heard for years. According to Johnny Depp's lawyers, the jury in the Amber Heard trial was not swayed by social media. The lawyer said that social media did not play a role in the jury's decision. The suggestion that social media somehow influenced this jury is absurd, one of Depp's lawyers said. Jurors are instructed not to consider anything but the evidence presented in court. This means that jurors should only consider the evidence that is presented in court and nothing else. This is important because it helps to ensure that the jury reaches a fair and unbiased decision. It can be difficult for jurors to ignore outside information, but it is important to try to do so. Jurors should also avoid discussing the case with anyone outside of the courtroom. Doing so could impact their ability to make a fair and impartial decision. The best thing for jurors to do is to focus on the evidence and listen carefully to what each witness has to say. By doing this, they can be sure they are making the best decision. The lawyers also claim that the hashtag Justice for Johnny Depp did not influence the jury. This hashtag is in support of actor Johnny Depp. Depp has been embroiled in a legal battle with his ex-wife Amber Heard. Heard has accused Depp of domestic abuse and denied these claims. The trial is ongoing, and the verdict has not yet been reached. However, many people have taken to social media to show their support for Depp using the hashtag Justice for Johnny Depp. So why is this hashtag trending? Well, there are several reasons. First, as mentioned, Depp has a lot of public support. Secondly, the trial is ongoing and people are eager to see what the outcome will be. Finally, some people believe that Heard is lying about the abuse allegations, and they believe that Depp is the victim in this situation. Regardless of your opinion on this case, it is important to remember that domestic abuse is a serious issue and should not be taken lightly. This case was decided on the evidence, period, another Depp lawyer said. To suggest otherwise demeans both Mr. Depp and the jury system. The jury's verdict is final, and Depp has now exhausted all of his legal options. This means that he will have to pay the $50 million judgment against him. In addition, the judge in the case ordered Depp to pay $100,000 in sanctions for filing a frivolous lawsuit. Depp's lawyers had argued that Heard was the one who had actually assaulted Depp, and they produced evidence that she has been abusive towards him in the past. However, the jury did not believe this evidence and found Depp guilty of assault. This case is yet another example of how domestic violence cases are often decided on he said, she said testimony with little concrete evidence to support either side's claims. So what was the outcome of Johnny and Amber's defamation trial? The jury deliberated for 2 days before reaching a verdict. Johnny and Amber were both found guilty of defamation and ordered to pay $50,000 in damages each. This is a victory for the plaintiff, but also sets a dangerous precedent. If people can be sued and found guilty of defamation for simply sharing their opinions, it could have a chilling effect on free speech. It's also worth noting that the jury was not made up of experts in media law, which makes their decision all the more worrying. This case highlights the importance of being careful about what you say online. Even if you believe you're speaking the truth, you could be facing a defamation lawsuit if your words hurt someone's reputation. So before you hit send, think twice about whether your words can come back and haunt you. For now, the verdict in this case stands, but it's possible that it will be appealed, so we will have to wait and see what happens next in this legal saga. But one thing is for sure, the internet is no longer a safe place to say whatever you want without consequence. The jury deliberated for less than 2 hours before reaching a verdict in favor of Heard. Depp has said he will appeal the decision. Do you think the social media played a role in the jury's decision? Let us know in the comments section and feel free to ask questions and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.